in the yard for the lawn, and overall just sunshine and not so much shade in the evening. These guys are working hard. Hope they don't mind me filming. They don't. They're all good. I am going to have a huge mess to clean up once this snow finally melts. So just trying to keep you guys updated. And yeah, hope you enjoy. It's been about a half hour. Look at that. It's a big tree. These guys make quick work of something that you think would take hours upon hours. But for now, keep watching progress. Stay tuned. Let's see how it's doing. Also, ice rink is done. It's warm. It's spring in a day, officially, and I can't wait. All right, the top's coming down. Look at that, clean. All right, guys, tree's down, and let me say something. You will never see anybody else work as hard as old Muskoka boys. They had that tree down in one day, and they're just bucking it up now. That's it. It'll be gone tomorrow. That's the kind of people you want working for you and working with. I'm proud of what they did today. They accomplished a lot. We'll see you in the next one. It's been Backwoods. Let's get this long going. Springtime, baby.